Ripple got completely destroyed as I predicted. It reached 131, which everyone said it will not happen, and I predicted that it would hit 131 and even fall below that if the chart continues to be bearish, which is exactly what I'm seeing right now. Hi, my name is Raji, and I do technical analysis for educational purposes and for fun. So, looking at Ripple on the hourly chart, you can see that the price is now at 1.1834, which is below the 5-hour moving average line, which is 121.74, and well below the 50-hour moving average line, which is 147.59. Looking at the stochastic RSI, you can see that it's bearish, and it's 6 points ahead of the signal, trying to recover, but it's looking weak. And similarly on the MACD, you can see that it's trying to turn right here, and that's why we're seeing a light pinkish rectangle, but it's still quite bearish, and it's going to face a very strong falling trend line, as well as the 5-hour moving average line trying to push it downwards even further. Let's look at the daily really quickly. Daily looks also bearish. Stochastic RSI is again 4 points ahead of the signal, and right here the MACD is not even recovering. It's opening up even further, and you can see this large dark red rectangle making it even more bearish. Similarly on the TTM squeeze, the large long purple rectangle, which means that it may drop even further. Let's look at the weekly. And the weekly, as you can see right here, is also bearish, 13 points ahead of the signal. That's a lot. And also opening up even further on the MACD. You can see that it hit the 131 that I mentioned earlier right here. And then it's dropping even further. And I say that it will probably carry onwards to 105 as the next major support line. So keep a close eye on this one. I don't think it has the power to um, reverse its move just yet. And even if it tries to, it will be blocked by the weekly chart, according to my big brother theory. And of course, on the monthly, it looks also very bad. Remember, we said in a previous video that it has potential to drop to 0.98. Well, we're not far from that. However, as a first stop, I would say again 104. 104 is currently in 104 or 105 is currently in play. So again, this is not a surprise when you analyze charts based on what is happening on the chart and based on the fact that you should have seen that there was a head and shoulders that are developing right here. So this was no surprise. The bulls were trying to convince you otherwise. I'm only analyzing the chart, and once again, Ripple is not looking great right here, and I see more bleeding coming through. If you enjoyed this video, then I would really appreciate you liking and subscribing to the channel, and I will share with you more videos of such. Have a great day. Take care.